Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create the custom audiences on the Pinterest ads platform. So we spoke about this. Custom audiences are going to be the type of audiences which are who have interacted with your website and now you have collected their data. So now you can go ahead and target them with your Pinterest ads. So let's have a look at this, how you can create these. So once you're on the platform, we can go to the overview section. Under manage business, we can come to audiences. This is where you can create different types of custom audiences from here. Now, here the first one is going to be engagement, which is basically targeting pinners who have engaged with your content in the past. So you can give it a name, let's say, in this manner. And then you can also decide the engagement audience type. Any engagement actions you want to target or optimized engagement actions you want to look at. So optimized engagement actions are going to be the ones wherein the things which they have engaged with more, those will be targeted more versus the others. Then you can also, these are optional steps, which is you can select the source type, the pin ID if you want to, and then you can create this particular audience category. So this is the first type, which is going to be, which you have available here. The second one is going to be site visitors. Site visitors is, as you can understand, people who have visited our website after clicking on our pin. Okay, so we would like to target them. So people who have visited the website, we have collected their data because of the pixel, the Pinterest tag, which we had implemented on our website. So that is why we are able to collect their data. So this particular custom audience will collect data of users who interact with our website. So you can give it a name first and then select the conversion source. So this is going to be our Pinterest tag. You can choose the other ones as well, conversion API as well. And then we can create the pin. So this is going to be for website visitors, people who are visiting our website. And then the third one is going to be the customer list. Customer list is the list of the data about our customers, people who visit our website, who buy products from us. They tend to open an account on our website. And in that, they provide their personal details like their name, email address. So that is the data which we have collected over a period of time. So this you can upload over here, and then Pinterest can target them, can target those specific users whenever they're logged in with their email addresses. So that becomes our customer list. Okay, so you can upload the file here and create this audience list right here. Once these audiences are created, these can be linked to the campaign. The work is not done yet. So we have to link these audiences to the specific campaigns in which those ads are created, and those ads will then start targeting these custom audiences. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So once you create the custom audience, then we go into our campaigns. We go into the campaigns and we can go specifically to the ad group level of the campaign. So here, let's say we can edit this campaign and we go to the ad group level. And here in targeting details, you can see audience list, add an audience list optional given to us. So this is where you can use existing list. So this is where you will link it. So all the audience list which you have created in the first step, which we saw, will populate over here. And then you can select it and you can link it to this campaign. That is how we are able to target a specific kind of a custom audience with our ads. I hope this makes sense. You understand this process now. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.